EagleRidge, Draper's premier roofing and construction experts. EagleRidge, a leading roofing contractor in Draper, Utah, proudly serves the 84020 and 84090 zip codes with comprehensive residential and commercial roofing solutions. Our team of skilled craftsmen is dedicated to delivering exceptional quality, using premium materials and advanced techniques to ensure durable, long-lasting results. With extensive local knowledge of Draper's unique environment and building codes, EagleRidge offers customized roofing solutions designed to meet your specific needs. For residential properties, we provide a wide range of services, including new roof installations, repairs, maintenance, and roof replacements. We also specialize in storm damage assessments, gutter repairs, and siding installations to keep your home protected and looking its best. For businesses, EagleRidge offers commercial roofing solutions such as flat roof installations, metal roofing systems, and preventative maintenance programs. Our expertise extends to TPO and EPDM roofing, soffits, fascia, and more. At EagleRidge, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We pride ourselves on delivering reliable, efficient service while keeping you informed every step of the way. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to discuss your project and discover how EagleRidge can safeguard your property with expert roofing solutions. EagleRidge Roofing, Utah's premier roofing and construction experts.